You can restrict user access to only their assigned files using Integrate Google Drive's private folder feature. This approach restricts file visibility and permissions exclusively to the designated user. There are two ways you can allocate private files and folders to specific users: automatic process and manual process. To allocate private files automatically, navigate to Google Drive, Settings, Private Folders, enable Create Private Folders on registration. Select user roles for whom private folders will be created, set folder naming template to rename the folder, select parent folder, where newly created private folder will be stored, select template folder, where all files and folders will be copied, to the newly created private folder, share folder with user, enable merge folders, to merge the same name folder, rather than creating a new one, and others. When a new user signs up, or an admin creates a new user, a new private folder will be created automatically. To allocate private files manually, navigate to Google Drive, Users Private Files, click on Select Files button. From the user you want to allocate, select Files and Folders, Save Changes. Navigate to Google Drive, Module Builder, Add New Module, select File Browser, from Source tab, enable Use Private Files, enable Create Private Folder, to assign new private folder, for specific user, if there are no folders assigned for the user. To display the module, click on the Embed button, copy the shortcode, and paste it inside any page or post. If an user visits the page, with login credentials, assigned private files and folders will be visible for the user. Navigate to Settings, Private Folders, enable Private Folders in Admin Dashboard. Specific users now can access their private files and folders from Admin Dashboard.